In this video, I'll show you how to fix a refund request rejected on Western Union step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix a refund request that was rejected on Western Union, first open the Western Union app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your transaction history and locate the transfer for which you requested the refund. Start by checking the status and details of the transaction. A refund request can be rejected if the money has already been picked up by the receiver, or if the transfer has already been successfully completed. In those cases, Western Union may not be able to process a refund because the funds have already been delivered. Next, review the reason for the rejection. Western Union may send an email or notification explaining why the refund request was declined. Check your email inbox and spam folder to see if they have provided additional instructions or requested more information. Another important step is to make sure you submitted the correct documents with your refund request. In many cases, Western Union requires proof of purchase, such as a clear photo or scanned copy of the money order receipt with the barcode or the original money order check. If the documents were missing or unclear, the request may have been rejected. If the refund was rejected due to incorrect or incomplete information, you can try submitting the refund request again with the correct details and supporting documents. Make sure all the information, including the serial number, transaction amount, and personal details, is entered correctly. If the issue continues, the next step is to contact Western Union Customer Support. Open your browser and search for Western Union Customer Service, then visit their official support page. From there, you can start a live chat with a support agent or call their customer service number to request further assistance. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.